In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a fully customized sign-up page in WordPress using Elementor. Whether you're building a brand new website, updating an old design, or you simply want a more professional login and registration experience for your users, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, we're starting with the Ultimate Member plugin because it lets us create login, registration, and user account pages without writing any code at all. So head to your WordPress dashboard, click on Add New Plugin, and search for Ultimate Member. Once you find it, install it and activate it. Right after activation, it will ask whether you want to generate the default pages like login, register, account, and so on. You can pick only the ones you need, or simply let it create all of them, totally up to you. After that, hit Save Changes and you're good to go. Next, we're going to customize the login form itself. On the left side of your dashboard, you'll now see a new menu called Ultimate Member. Click on Forms and open the default login form. You'll notice a shortcode displayed on the left. Make sure to copy it and save it somewhere because we'll need it later in Elementor. Now it's time to style your form so it actually matches your brand. Toggle on the option that says Customize, then enable the setting for showing labels inside the text fields as placeholders. This gives the form a cleaner, more modern look. Also, turn on the option that allows users to register, and don't forget to enable the Forgot Password feature as well. Let's move to the actual fields. Start with the username field. Take the label text and place it inside the placeholder box, then mark the field as required and hit Update. Repeat the exact same steps for the password field. You can also set minimum and maximum password lengths here. And even though Ultimate Member gives you the option to disable strong passwords, after you update everything, switch over to the registration form and repeat the same process to keep everything consistent. Now let's create the actual login page using Elementor. Go to your Pages section and open the default login page. Click Edit with Elementor. Start by adding a new container and set it to full height. Choose a light background color, something clean and simple that fits your website style. Inside that container, add another one that's slightly narrower so the layout feels centered and easy to read. Next, split the layout into two columns. On the left, add a background image. This can be abstract or something related to your niche, and place your logo on top. Adjust the padding so it sits exactly where you want it. On the right side, add a heading like Welcome Back or Sign In, then style it however you prefer. Below that, drag in a shortcode widget. Open your Ultimate Member login form again, and paste the shortcode into this widget. Make sure to check the mobile view and adjust spacing so everything looks smooth on small screens too. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a clean, customized WordPress sign-up page easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?